Hi there. In this video on PMN Online, we are going to cover how to open a zip file in Google Drive. Now, let's talk about why this is an essential skill. Whether you're collaborating on projects with your team or simply trying to manage your personal files, encountering zip files is almost inevitable. These compressed files are commonly used because they allow you to bundle multiple files together and reduce overall file size. But if you're using Google Drive, you might wonder how to access those contents without downloading and unzipping them on your computer first. Luckily, Google Drive provides a straightforward way to handle zip files directly, and that's what we're going to explore today. First things first, you'll need to open up Google Drive. To do this, fire up your preferred web browser, be it Chrome, Firefox, or any other, and head over to the URL bar. Type in drive.google.com and hit enter. If you aren't already logged in, you'll be greeted with a prompt to enter your Google account credentials. Go ahead and log in with your Google account details. Once you're in, you'll land on your Google Drive homepage, showcasing all your stored files and folders. The next step is to find the zip file you want to open. You can do this by scrolling through your list of files, but if your drive is packed with documents and folders, it might be quicker to use the search bar at the top. Type in the name of your zip file and hit enter. When you locate the file, click on it once to select it. You'll notice that selecting the file highlights it and reveals additional options in the top menu of your drive. Now that your zip file is selected, direct your attention to the upper section of your screen. Here, you'll find the Open With option. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear, listing various compatible apps that can handle your zip file. From this list, you're going to want to choose Zip Extractor. However, if you don't see Zip Extractor in the menu, no worries. It's a free tool that you can easily install from the Chrome Web Store. This app is specifically designed to work with zip files in Google Drive. Once you've clicked on Zip Extractor, if it's your first time using it, you'll need to authorize the app to access your Google account data. Click on the Authorize Zip Extractor button and follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. After you've authorized the app, click on Open Zip from Google Drive. This action will guide you to a new window where Google Drive will ask you to confirm the Google account associated with your zip file. If you manage multiple accounts, ensure you select the correct one. After confirming your account, you'll be taken to a new interface where you need to select the zip file once again. A list of the files contained in the zip should appear, allowing you to see exactly what's inside. When you're ready, click this Select button to proceed. This step prepares your files for extraction. Finally, to complete the process, click on Extract to Drive. The application will begin the process of unpacking the contents of your zip file and saving them directly to your Google Drive. And there you have it. Your zip file is now open and its contents are accessible right within your drive. This method not only keeps your files neatly organized, but also makes it simple to share them with others when needed. So, go ahead and give it a try. You'll see just how convenient managing zip files in Google Drive can be. We hope this video made it easier for you to learn how to open a zip file in Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this.